Hey, skin tag. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Bye-bye. On this do-it-yourself, we're going to deal with something that's a little bit gross. Pardon my pink living room. I don't know if you can see this. I've got a skin tag right here. And it was annoying me. Now, it looks a little different today. I'm right in the middle of this process, so I wanted to remove the skin tag, but I didn't want to go to the doctor, and I didn't want to cut it off or anything like that. Yesterday, it looked more like a skin tag. Today, it looks a little bit more brown, like it's going to fall off, and the reason is... Alright, so here we are with my little home remedy, which is going to be apple cider vinegar. Just kind of drop a few drops on a little piece of paper towel. So what we're going to do is, we're going to find it first. It's up here somewhere, right there. We're going to just tape this on. Hopefully we got it right. I'll make sure late in a minute. Alright, so basically we're just going to leave this on that thing all day. And then look at it later, and I believe that in a couple of days that thing's going to totally fall off. So we'll see what happens. Alright, now check this out. I started this project the other day, and today I'm somewhat amazed. Alright, it was the skin tag project. That skin tag was right there. It's gone. How about that? So I used the little apple cider vinegar just on a little piece of paper towel and then taped it on there for a day or two, and it dried off. It dried out and fell off. How about that? Look at that. This is better video than I got the other day. I was inside at night. But that thing is gone. So hopefully I don't develop like another person. Wasn't, what show is that? Family Guy, where the guy Zit started controlling things? Can't remember what the Zit's name was. But anyway, how about that? I may have one or two more skin tags I'll try it on, but that's pretty cool. So that does work. But I'm not a doctor, so I can't be responsible if you kill yourself pardon me, I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush everything. I need to brush my... I'm not going to say it. Alright, anyway. Skin tag gone. John Masters gone. See you later.